Well, that escalated quickly. A little tap, tap, tap. And everybody on the internet says, oh, it's just lifter tick. The 4.0s, it's a tractor motor. It runs noisy. It's not what Dex says. He says, you got a cracked piston, and it's piston slap. And I agreed. So, pulled it apart. What do we got here on number 5? Cracks. Big cracks that run all the way up the skirt. You can see them. You press on it, they open up. Now, I don't know if I could snap this off with my hands. It's pretty rough. The Babbitt material's not looking great in there either. That's not the lighting. It really does just look like copper. So yeah, pulling it apart, right thing to do. You hear a tap, 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 and it doesn't go away when you change your oil or put seafoam in. It's probably going to be time for pistons.